You're using AI wrong. I know, because 87% of AI users make these exact mistakes. The real problem isn't the AI tools themselves, it's the way you're using them. You can trust me because I've helped dozens of entrepreneurs and businesses succeed with AI through my AI transformation agency. And I grew my first YouTube channel from 0 to over 300,000 subscribers in just over a year by building repeatable AI workflows, not hype. In the next few minutes, I'll show you 5 dead giveaways that you're still an AI beginner and how to fix each one. Here's the twist. The pro move that most AI users brag about actually slows them down, but we'll get to that in a minute. Sign number 1, you're still copy-pasting prompts like a caveman. Here's what most people do. They have a Google Doc with their favorite prompts or some prompt library. They copy, paste, edit, every single time. Or worse, you're typing one-line prompts. If this is you, you are literally living in the stone age of AI. Watch this. I need to turn this picture of my handwritten notes into an organized reference guide. The beginner would either type a one-sentence prompt or open their prompt library, find their prompt, copy it, paste it, and then add the necessary context. Me, I type :NO. Enter, and the prompt appears instantly. It's called text replacement, and it's already available on your iPhone for free. Boom. Here's the exact setup. Open settings on your iPhone, tap General, then Keyboard, then Text Replacement. From here, you'll tap the plus symbol and add your most used prompts. In the shortcut field, type your code word, like :prompt. Adding a special character like the colon before the prompt prevents accidents, like when you're texting people. Once you hit save, this syncs with your Mac devices through iCloud instantly, meaning you can now use it on your iPhone, your iPad, your MacBook, any other devices that you have. You'll get addicted to how fast this makes everything. Sign number 2 that you're still in beginner mode. You haven't connected your AI to your real workflows. If you want AI to actually be useful, you need to give it access to your data. The pros embed AI directly where they work. By setting up connectors in ChatGPT, for example, you're giving the AI the ability to read your emails, search your files, and work with your existing documents. Connectors act like bridges that let ChatGPT access your apps and data where they already live. Let me show you this in action. I'll ask ChatGPT, find the iPhone text replacement key from Notion and remind me the code to share a Zoom link. Connectors are also a quick way to check or prep for upcoming meetings. Here's how you can enable connectors. Step 1, click your profile icon in ChatGPT, then Connectors from the setting menu. Tap into each connector you'd like to set up and choose Connect. Once you give ChatGPT permission to connect with your apps, you'll be able to easily toggle on connectors from the ChatGPT prompt box. Stuck in beginner mode, sign 3. You're still using Photoshop for basic image edits. Some of you may know this already, but beginners edit photos in Photoshop or Canva. Click around with the magic wand, refine edges, export. That's 10 minutes minimum. What you should be using is generative AI image editors like Google's Nano Banana. These AI tools let you instantly remove backgrounds, create consistent characters, restore old photos, combine images, and so much more. To get started, open Gemini and choose Create Images from the Tools menu in the prompt box. I could then tap the plus sign and upload a picture of my dog. Next, I type the changes that I want to see, and voila! My dog is transformed into a space explorer. Want to change a shirt color? Remove someone from a photo? Add a sunset? These take seconds now. Not minutes, not hours, seconds. I watched someone spend 30 minutes in Photoshop trying to remove a trash can from their vacation photo. Gemini did it in 3 seconds. All right, sign number 4. Your phone is an AI desert. AI is not a desk pet. It's a pocket tool. Voice, camera, screen share. There are so many useful ways to use AI on your mobile device. If you want to be the first to get my video on the best AI mobile apps for 2026, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications by hitting the bell. Aside from awesome standalone AI apps, there's a ton you can do for free using ChatGPT or Gemini on your phone. For example, example, tapping the soundbar icon opens advanced voice mode, where you can practice for interviews, brainstorm ideas with an AI thought partner, or get real-time language translation. I use that last one a lot in Miami. Once in voice mode, you can tap the camcorder icon to show the AI what you're looking at live. This has saved me on a few occasions where I needed help troubleshooting something in real life. I recommend adding ChatGPT and Perplexity to your iPhone's lock screen for quick access. On iPhone, you do this by tapping and holding the lock screen until the Customize menu pops up. Tap Customize, choose Lock Screen, tap inside the widget box under the clock and choose the apps that you want to add. Then select Done. Super helpful. Number 5, you're drowning in AI updates instead of using them. Every day, there's a new AI tool, a new feature, an updated model, and you're trying to keep up with all of it. That's exactly why you're stuck in beginner mode. The AI pros know that chasing every new shiny AI tool only creates more friction. The real winners understand that AI tools are only as good as the systems that you build around them. Here's what to do. Choose 3 to 5 AI tools that solve your biggest problems, master them, and ignore everything else. Here's my personal system for building workflows with AI tools. Number 1, identify your repetitive tasks. Look for things that you do over and over again. These are perfect for AI automation. Number 2, choose the right tool for each task. Don't try to make one AI do everything. Match specific tools to specific need. Most of the time, one large language model can get the job done. Create templates and saved prompts. Build a library of proven prompts that work consistently. And use a text expander so your frequent prompts are easy to activate. Number 4, document your process. Keep track of what works and what doesn't in a simple reference guide. I tell my clients to keep all of their data in a central Notion dashboard. The most successful AI users build habits around their tools. They don't just randomly try AI when they get stuck. They integrate it into their regular workflows at specific trigger points. If you do these things, you'll be ahead of 99% of AI users. All right, bonus time. If you're new to this channel, congratulations. You made it to the bonus tip. I always try to include a special AI tool or trick at the end of my videos. Today's is called WhisperFlow, spelled W-I-S-P-R. If you want to be 4 times more productive, you need to add WhisperFlow to your AI toolkit. WhisperFlow is an AI voice dictation tool that lets you speak naturally to your computer or phone and instantly turns that speech into highly accurate, polished text in any app or text field, like any app or text field. It includes real-time AI auto editing, meaning it cleans up filler words, rambles, and typos, producing structured, reliable text without you ever needing to type anything. The takeaway: AI literacy is now a survival skill. But by mastering these techniques, you'll stay ahead as AI becomes a critical part of everyday life.